Hi everybody, it's Celia checking in. This is what's left that has to go in my car. I'm still in my apartment in Arizona, but I've been here all day cleaning it out. This is my living room. My writing table used to be there. Actually, I've never given you a tour, so there's the balcony out there. Those are my chairs. And then this was the bedroom. This is all cleaned out. Walk-in closet. I love this closet. So that's all cleaned out. So this part is done. Another closet. Sorry. That's all cleaned out. There's shelves in there. I kept my journaling stuff in there. It's the vanity and sink for the bathroom. There's my shelves. Empty, but those were some great shelves. The bathroom's all clean. Yeah. Actually, I think I'll close this window so I don't forget. All right. Sorry if I'm moving too fast here. And I'm not showing you my face because I'm a sweaty mess. So this is the living room. That's the door to the balcony. That's the door that goes outside. This is my little kitchen. Not much left in there. I gotta get rid of the microwave. And I think I will open the door and show you the stairs, which is why it's taking me so long to move. Oops. Yeah. So I have those stairs that I have to bring everything down. So I'm literally almost done with bringing stuff down to the dumpster. I have one more cat tree to get rid of. But then this all has to go in my car, and I actually do have a lot of space in there. So I'm happy about that. What can I tell you? Today is Friday. It's Good Friday. I really thought I'd be gone by now. I had planned to leave yesterday, but it just didn't work out. And it's not like I have a deadline, but I feel bad because I've been out of work for a week, and it's going to be at least another week of traveling. And so, yeah. So I'm hoping to leave on Sunday, which is Easter. So I guess that's symbolic to start a new life or part of a new life on Easter. And yeah, that's all I know. People have been asking about an address for mail. I am staying at a friend's house. I don't want to give the address out just yet. So if you wanted to send me mail, you've got to wait. Plus, I'm so scattered right now. I am not ready to receive or send any mail. And that's about it. My journal's back in the hotel room. I had brought it over here earlier, but then I went back to have lunch and check on Cleo, and so I just left everything there because I had my planner and everything. Although I did need them this morning because I was doing like some errands, like getting an oil change and all of that. Make sure the car is ready for this long trip. I have an old car. She's 14. So she got us out here. She's gonna get us back. My car and Cleo are the same age, so that's kind of fun. Yeah, so that's all that's going on here. I just wanted to document what was going on. Before we moved to the hotel yesterday, I had not been sleeping at all. I slept like 2 hours one night, and then the next night I slept more, but I just kept waking up. So last night at the hotel, I slept really good, and I think it helps because I'm not here like stressing out. So, and it's actually the hotel that I was in for a month before I got my apartment here. So it seems fitting. I mean, I picked that on purpose. There's other hotels, but I just picked that one on purpose because that's where we started. So I figured that's where we should end. Yeah, so I guess I'll leave this here. I just wanted to check in, say hi. I'm not sure I'll post this tomorrow. I might wait a day because I just posted a couple of videos. But I'll let you know what's going on. And yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.